Hello and welcome to the Rathdown Media Institute. We're a training company based in Rathdown in South Dublin, and we teach you wherever you are. We teach with online courses, step-by-step guided courses with practical tips and real insights into the production process. As journalists, we show you how to make really good quality videos on your smartphone, how to do podcasts, everything from the equipment you need to the whole production process, beginning, middle and end. For years now, we've been training people in workshops, and now our online courses are replicating those workshops in a very successful way. We give you the choice of doing the courses all by yourself, step by step, or if you want to be guided with a live tutor, we can do that too. We also do bespoke courses for groups, organisations, universities. If you want to talk to us about that, do get in touch. I'm Aileen O'Mara, professional journalist and a producer, and my colleagues and I are here to help you learn. So that's the Rathdown Media Institute. Learn with the professionals.